Marikana, lessons learned. It was obviously very tragic what happened out there on August 16th, and certainly there's investigations underway, so we won't preempt any of the root causes, and we'll be waiting for that to come out. But very tragic. Sasol's had a long road itself in labor relations, and I think we really, what we're focusing on in everything that we've long before this incident took place is focusing on working better together with our stakeholders. We've put it in our FY13 priorities, as you saw. We've changed one of the company's values from customer focus to stakeholder focus. So we need to work with everyone, and not just our customers, which is what the value used to be. So I think there's a lot to be done. We understand the country's facing major socioeconomic challenges with unemployment and poverty and inequalities, and we want to work in conjunction with all parties, governments and our trade union colleagues going forward, make sure we're very well aligned and have open lines of communication. And so that, talking about your recalibration, business and the social aspects, we believe that. We met on August 14th with our group partnership forum, which is all of Sasol's trade unions, so just before the Marikana incident. And we talked about our strategy and how we want to work together as one Sasol with our union colleagues and open up greater lines of communication, including the CEO's office, making sure that everyone's voice is heard across the board so that we can be better aligned and move forward together. And I will say that we have very good relationships right now with our unions, and we want that to continue. So we're putting extra focus on this communication with them and to drive that. With respect to, with more investment, 60, I think Christine said 2/3, I think 68% of our CapEx still goes into South Africa, and we've got a lot of opportunities. Our strategy in South Africa, or Southern Africa, is to protect and diversify our companies in country and in the region. And so that means that we will continue to invest when it makes sense. Some projects that you've probably heard about in the press don't make economic sense or have environmental risks that we can't quite overcome at this point, because there's not a viable solution to say, for example, building another coal to liquids plant. But and hopefully in the future, possibly with the crude gas, another GTL plant could be out there as well as a big opportunity. But for now, we're focusing on protecting and diversifying our current plants and adding to that as we can.